The Neo electric pressure multi-cooker and slow pot is the ultimate multifunctional cooking tool for your kitchen. Featuring an easy-to-use digital control panel, as well as cancel and keep warm functions, the stainless steel pressure cooker reduces cooking time by up to 50%, allowing you more time to spend with your family. There are 8 settings for you to tailor your pressure cooker to, depending on whether you're cooking rice, soup, beans, poultry, fish, vegetables, cakes. The options are endless. When preparing meals, you can use the 24-hour time delay and 24-hour keep warm function to suit your day-to-day needs. With a large 6-litre capacity, the stainless steel pressure cooker will easily feed families of most sizes. We've designed the cooker with safety in mind. The lid locks into place when in use and only opens once the pressure is released. The blue LED digital countdown timer lets you know when your ingredients are ready. Simply serve and watch your family and friends enjoy a delicious meal. Once you finish cooking, its removable non-stick coated cooking pot makes it ideal for easy cleaning, saving you time with the washing up. Prepare delicious meals with complete ease and revolutionize your kitchen with the Neo electric pressure multi-cooker and slow pot.